everyone, my name is Abigail and welcome back here on my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, I am planning to do a DIY pre-birthday photo shoot for my baby girl. And originally, I booked a photographer for this one, but since yun nga, due to the rising number of cases that is growing rapidly here in our city, I had to cancel that one out and do a DIY photo shoot here at home. So sa totoo lang guys, I had been having a dilemma about this one, if ipupush ko ba siya or not, kasi yun nga, I have a lot of reasons. First is si Bella hindi na siya ganun ka-cooperative when it comes to taking photos, and second, I have a very limited space where I can put a setup for a photo shoot, but gagawan ko ng paraan yan. And third, limited lang yung mga taong pwedeng tumulong sa akin dito sa bahay kasi meron din kaming isang baby dito na kailangan din bantayan. So, let's see kung mag-work out tong planong to. But, yun, I really hope na magkaroon kami ng at least 10 hanggang 20 na photos man lang for me to keep and to look back onto, you know, as memorabilias na lang for her first birthday, since we're not gonna be able to celebrate it with, you know, with friends and relatives. So these are the dresses that I want Bella to wear for this shoot. Andyan si Bella natutulog, kaya quiet si mommy dapat. So the first set, or this one, itong tatlong to, ito yung gusto kong i-push ngayong araw, since yung setup na niready ko is ito yung parang perfect na color combination. So, and then, itong dalawang to, actually, set sila, mother and daughter dresses. Ayan, pinatahi ko talaga to for this event, for her birthday. Pero yun nga, since wala ngang party, kaya gagamitin na lang namin sa photoshoot. So, this is the baby's dress. This is for Bella. Ayan. Sinukat ko na to sa kanya actually, pero parang top na lang siya. Kasi yung size na nabinigay ko dun sa nagtatahi nito is nung siguro nasa 6 months pa lang siya noon. Kahit na may allowance ngayon nung trinay ko kay Bella, maikli na siya. Pero, I'm gonna make this work. And ito naman yung kay mommy. Yan. So, parang cocktail dress siya. Ito kay Bella to, pero dyan siya nakadikit sa damit ko. Then, itong blue naman, sobrang gustong-gusto ko si Bella sa blue. Di ko alam, pero parang bagay na bagay siya sa color blue. Kaya, ayan, pinatahi ko din to. Maxi dress to. Nung sinukat ko to kay Bella is sobrang haba, pero ang cute-cute tingnan. Para siyang naglalakad na damit na may bata. Ayan, so, ang cute-cute nito. Andyan na din yung ribbons. Ayan, and then ito yung sa mommy. So, ngayon medyo maaraw pa. Okay sana ngayong mag-photoshoot, pero tulog pa nga si Bella. So, ito yung naka-ready na. Ito yung para sa white na dress niya. Ayan, parang tinamtax ko lang siya dyan sa gilid for background. Tapos, ito naman yung isa pang background din. Bedsheet namin to actually. Tapos, meron kaming parang sampayan na tubo. Ito. So, dito ko na nilagay. Tapos, nilagyan ko na lang ng clip. Tapos, ayan, dyan sa baba, merong pabanig si Mayor para, yun lang, comfortable si Bella once umupo siya dyan. So, ito yung first set. Ito yung parang pinaka-first na gagamitin ko as background. Then, saka na yung white. So, we're done with the first set. We're done with the first set of clothes that I prepared for her. But I think that's it for today. It's so challenging to do a photo shoot with this little one. So earlier she was throwing a tantrum and we had to stop vlogging and I had to let her use my phone to watch some YouTube videos. That's why medyo bitin yung vlog namin kanina for the behind of this for the behind the scenes while shooting. And now we just have to like stop kasi napagod na ako. So we're gonna do another set probably tomorrow or maybe the other day na lang. Depende kung kailan ako ulit magka-energy. But yun, that's it for today. Can you say bye-bye? Bela. Can you say bye-bye? So, katatapos ko lang maglinis dun sa ginawa naming setup earlier for the shoot. Now, we're back here dito sa room namin and Bella is playing right now. And then later on, papatulugin ko na din siya. But so, today, yung continuation nung photoshoot namin ni Bella. And it has been a week actually since the last time that we tried to do a photoshoot for her first birthday sana. So, ayun, I wasn't able to vlog everything today kasi I was using my phone and yun nga, ako lang mag-isa gumawa ng setup, yung props, tapos kasali pa ako sa shoot. So, medyo nahirapan akong i-vlog. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys the final product of the photo shoot that we had for the past week and yun nga, yung today. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. Here we go! So that's all the photos that we have. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet here on my channel, please do by clicking the subscribe button down below and click that notification bell as well, so you will be notified every time I post a new video. This has been Abby, and well, Bella's not around, but I'll see you on my next one. Bye!